My name's Adam Corrigan Holowitz. I'm the artistic director of Alvigo Root Theatre Company and the director of Alvigo Root's production of Press Cuttings by George Bernard Shaw and Running Rude by Jeff Colbert, which is a double bill of two political satires that were written approximately 100 years apart. The first one in the double bill is Shaw's really miniature delight, Press Cuttings, which is one of his one of his least done works. It's described as a topical sketch, and Shaw, the arguments in the play, and Shaw is known for his smart and witty debate in his theater, and that's where the drama comes from. But in this play, the debate is all inspired from different press cuttings, clippings that Shaw had found interesting, not necessarily agreed with, but thought were interesting point of views in the newspapers in England around 1907. And he made a play where he gave his own twist to all of these different opinions that were kind of the opinions of the day. So it's a really neat snapshot of the time, and it follows the main topics that are discussed and debated very fiercely are at the core women's rights and women's right to vote, as well as martial law, and there's a bit of free trade that's discussed in passing as well, which is kind of fun with considering all Canada's free trade deals, depending on which side of the coin you're on that, but they're still very topical. The production is really comes across thanks to a really smart cast of actors. Jeff Colbert takes the lead as General Michener of Great Britain. David Wass plays the Prime Minister, Balsquith, and also Sam Shoebottom does a wonderful job as the orderly. Andrea Hutchison plays Lady Corinthia, who thinks she's always in an opera, even though she never is. And Julia Webb makes a really stunning cameo appearance as Mrs. Banger. It's a really wonderful play. In the next play, in Jeff Colbert's play, which he wrote, Running Rude, we go 100 years to the year 1995. And the play follows the story of two environmental activists or vandals, Rudy and Boot. Boot is much more refined, or wants to take the traditional avenues of change, while Rudy is much more aggressive and believes in vandalism and much more ardent, fierce ways to get what she feels needs to be changed. And for both of them, their driving force is their care of the environment. The arc of the play follows as Rudy runs for election as a Green Party candidate in the early days of the Green Party, and their inevitable defeat at election time, and the repercussions that they feel after that of the two characters. Both plays are very political, and have political issues at their core, but overall there are wider themes about how we operate as a society. The one that sticks out for me the most is how one changes their mind. Not many people change their mind, but in this play everyone's opinions shift and change by the end, and that's where the real drama of it comes from. And also there are, in both plays, after they lose their political agenda, they move back to much more human callings, as it were, much more romantic callings, which is an interesting side as well. They're political plays, but they also do have a deep heart, and the heart of them is what drives them forward.